I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make faux beef. First, you'll want to prepare your beef bones. Roast about 2-3 pounds of beef marrow and knuckle bones in the oven until they are beautifully browned. This step is crucial for a rich, deep flavor. Next, char 1 large onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger directly over a flame or under a broiler. Finally, blanch your roasted bones for about 10 minutes to remove any impurities, ensuring a clear broth. Now let's infuse that incredible aroma. Gently toast 2 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and about 5 cloves in a dry pan until fragrant. This awakens their essential oils. Add these toasted spices, along with your charred onion and ginger, to the pot with the blanched bones. Pour in about 1/4 cup of good quality fish sauce and cover everything with 6-8 quarts of water. Simmer this mixture for 6-8 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. While your broth simmers, prepare the essential accompaniments. Cook 1 pound of fresh or dried faux noodles according to package directions, ensuring they are al dente. For the beef, thinly slice about 1 pound of raw sirloin or eye of round against the grain. This ensures tender bites. Finally, prepare your fresh garnishes. A generous handful of basil, cilantro, sliced green onions, and a mound of crisp bean sprouts. These fresh elements truly elevate the dish. It's time to assemble your delicious pho. Place a portion of cooked noodles into a bowl, then arrange the thinly sliced raw beef over them. Ladle the piping hot broth directly over the beef. The heat will gently cook it to perfection. Garnish generously with your fresh herbs, a squeeze of lime, and a dollop of chili sauce if you like a little kick. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, authentic beef pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.